Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change icon's shape on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to wallpapers and style and then choose icons. Over here we have different options, so we can set it to aquamorphic, this one is default, and we can also switch to material, pebble, and we can also set it to custom, where we can create our own shape. In addition to that, we can also adjust the foreground, the size of the icons, enable and disable system colors, show and hide app names, and set the size of app names. Also, we can go to more in order to open the theme store, and here we can apply different theme that also changes the icons shape. Once you are done with the changes, all you need to do is simply press apply. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.